Hey guys, I'm Okita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, today's video is not for us. Today's video is for the kids, because in today's video I'm going to talk about the kids makeup, and the product is Princess by Renee Unicorn Makeup Kit. So guys, Renee have launched the new kids makeup, and in this range they have nail polish, 3-in-1 lipstick, and this makeup kit. So yeah, in this video I am going to talk about this product, but let me talk a little bit about the brand. Well guys, Renee have a lot of unique products, like their 5-in-1 lipstick. Now I know that now there are a lot of brands who have 5-in-1 lipstick, but at that time when Renee launched, I think they are the first one who have present the concept of this 5-in-1 lipstick in the market, and now they are the first one who have came with the kids makeup in the Indian market. And I'm very excited to show you the product. So yeah, let's get started. But if you are watching me for the first time, then make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that all notification bell so that you can get notified all the time whenever I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's get started. So guys, the product comes in this kind of a pinkish cardboard packaging. This is very girly kind of packaging, and it priced at rupees 950. And when you open it, here is the main makeup kit, and within this kit they have also provided this kit details for better understand. And yeah, when you open this kit, so these are the these are the matte eyeshadows, and you have to twist this part to get the another product. And these are the shimmer eyeshadows. This is the lip and cheek tint, and this one is the lip butter. And this kit contain one applicator. So that is how the applicator looks like. It contains a brush in one side and a spoolie in another side. So that is how the Princess by Renee Unicorn makeup kit looks from the inside. And guys, the concept is that here they are getting the matte eyeshadows, the shimmer eyeshadows, the lip and cheek tint, and also the lip butter, like whatever they needs to do their makeup. And here let me show you the swatches of the shades, the shadows. So let me swatch the shadows first. So in this range you can see there are 3 colors, but this one is the shimmer shades, whereas these two are matte shades. So let me just swatch the product. So these are the shades, and guys, I think not only the kids, also the mama they're gonna love this kit. Let me just swatch the other 3 shadows. And guys, here in this row you can see that all 3 shades are shimmer shades. So let me just swatch them too. Wow. So yeah, these are the shades. And next is the lip and cheek tint, and let me swatch this one on my hand first. I will also gonna apply this on my lips, so I have to just remove my lip tint right now. So that is how this lip and cheek tint looks on my lips and cheeks. This is lip tint, and formula wise it has a creamy formula and it gives sheer to medium coverage, but definitely you can build up the coverage. The next and the last product is the lip butter, and that is how it looks like. Let me swatch this on my hand first. Should I? Yeah. Now let me just apply on my lips. And that is how the lip butter looks like. Guys, it is quite pigmented and gives a glossy kind of effect, but if you eat or drink anything, it comes off. So this is it about the product, and not only the princess, I think the mama out there also gonna love this product. And for your main concern, I would like to say that this is vegan product, paraben free and dermatologically tested. It contains nourished ingredients like jojoba oil, almond oil, olive oil, vitamin E, etc. And they have also mentioned the detailed ingredients here, so you can read it too. So this is safe for your princess, and I'll highly recommend this product to your princess. And guys, I think Renee is the first Indian brand who have think about the makeup product for your princess, so keep it on your mind always. And yeah, this is it for this product. And guys, as of now, at the day of the video making, this product is only available on Renee website, and I will share the link into the description so that you can check it out easily. And I will also update the description once it will available any other website. So yeah, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.